Chiquinha, Chiquinha.
Go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Okay, I'm in a different area. I'm not sure exactly where we are, but we're gonna try to walk around and explore and find out. So, oh, they got some. That's cool. So let's see where we are. But what I did is I just jumped on a bus and I just jumped out at a spot I didn't recognize, and it's kind of a good way for me to go to another part of the city. I also jumped on a bus called the number 19, which I generally I've never been on that bus. And Macau is pretty small, so I thought I'd probably been on all the buses, at least some of them, you know, 100 times or 200 or 300 times, or significantly more, I guess, I don't know. But yeah, you put yourself in a spot that you're not familiar with and suddenly you find that you haven't really seen everything. I don't know if you can see that right there, but it's a Vincent van Gogh poster. And I would walk down there, but it looks like annual arts exhibition. So that might be part of it too. I should walk down there, but it looks like it's a dead end. It goes into the mountain right there. So we're just gonna go around a little bit and see what's in this neighborhood. And later I'll try to label it. And we'll go. This is where they put trash, incinerate things. You see lots of stuff that's gonna be recycled, I guess. I think we're gonna walk down that street, right down that way. And when I find out what the neighborhood is, I'll give it a call. Pretty cool building. Okay. Okay. I just don't know where we are right here. Feels like we could be at the border. Let me just see. I know what's down that way. Yeah, this is the part I just haven't walked around at all. Gold shops. Okay, this is a currency exchange. I just walked by it, but there's a security guard, so I didn't want to throw my camera right on him. But based on all the people with the suitcases, the currency exchange place, I'm gonna guess we're pretty close to the border. And I think if I take a left, I probably would go across the border. So we're just gonna walk down this way a little bit. We'll just see what we see. It's kind of funny because usually when I come over here, sometimes I wander around a little bit trying to find the border, but usually I just go across. Which basically what I'm saying is I don't really walk around near the border very often. But as you can see, it's a lot of tall buildings just like anywhere else. Macau has one of the most densest populations in the world, so. Areia Preta, okay. So this is the neighborhood of It's like a hospital here with ambulances. Neighborhood of Areia Preta. So there it is. So we're gonna I think we're gonna walk this way. There's a taxi that's parked. If it's parked, it means that it's probably somebody who's working all night, and it's a kind of cool little tiny car. Green car is kind of cool too. Look at the sports car. Another parked taxi. Yeah, I think we're pretty close to the border. Let's see. Playing cards here. Take us, let's see. There's this little park in here. So maybe we'll just kind of go through the park. Public toilet. Okay. Huh. I don't know what that is. I guess they're doing karaoke? Well, I don't know. I kind of feel like that might be feels like a dead end over there. Guy must have sit there all day. How many customers would you get a day in a lumber shop in Macau? Okay. Cantina. Okay. Let's just see here. I don't know. So there's okay, Hippodroma, Areia Preta. So that means that we're pretty close to the terminal. Yeah, I think I got off at 18 bus maybe. So, yep. All right, so let's walk up a little bit further, and I call this one a day for this camera video. Areia Preta. Okay. All right.
को भी